Our nose is a human barometer. It responds to every change in weather. The first reaction to change in weather or to an infection around is sneezing. The moment you begin sneezing, take Aconite 30. It would halt the spread of infection with speed. There can be sinusitis where thick green mucus goes into the throat. It is very difficult to take it out. In that case, take Kali Bichrome 200 4 times a day for at least 3 to 5 days. The nose is also responsive to pain. If it is red, swollen, the pain is stinging, take Apis 200 for relief. If there are caries in nasal bones, the nose is ulcerated, the pus is fetid, the nose is obstructed, Aurum Met 200 is of advantage. In influenza, when there is a severe bone pain, take Eupatorium Perf 200, while in muscular soreness in influenza, in running nose, in feeling of a band tightening around the skull, when chill runs up the spine, the human being feels sluggish, his face is besotted, stupefied, Gelsemium 200 is a great remedy. In caries of the nose, swelling of the nasal bones, thick yellow mucus flowing outwards, Merc Sol 200 is of help. In dry cold, relieved by discharge, Sticta 30 comes in. In sneezing, once again, when there is acute unbearable itching in the palate, Arundo 200 helps. Normally, Aconite 30, if taken in the beginning, stops the feeling of itching and of the running nose. But if the running nose has been running for a long time, Natrum Mur 200 will help. The nose is swollen for any reason, there is painful ulceration, give Aurum Met. And if there are polyps at the root of the nose, Calcarea Carb 30 comes handy. See, it's necessary to keep your nose clean. Just take water in your palm and try to sprinkle it upwards without forcing it in. Normally it will clean the dry mucus. And when you are suffering from cold of any type, hot fomentation, steam fomentation will give you comfort and relieve your distress. Homeopathic remedies are helpful as compared to any other system. These have a very early effect and there are no side effects. Choose them after carefully considering the symptoms. In chronic sinusitis, when there is bland green mucus easily coming out and there is chronic cold, when the smell and the taste have been diminished, Pulsatilla 30 brings remarkable results. The medicine has to be taken 4 times a day for almost a week. Remember, when taking homeopathic medicines, the moment a cure occurs, stop taking medicine, otherwise an aggravation may come. That is how the system works. You have to be on the guard. If during the treatment you feel that the sickness after reducing is now increasing, it means you have overdone the medicine. Stop it and you would be comfortable and you will feel cured. Thank you very much for listening to this video.